Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best electric car jack is probably one of the most convenient tools for any EV owner. Imagine effortlessly lifting your car for tire changes or maintenance with just a push of a button. This kit combines an electric jack and other essential tools, making roadside assistance a breeze and saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods. It's a game changer for anyone who values efficiency and ease of use. Number 5. E-HEELP 5-ton electric car jack kit. Introducing the E-HEELP electric car jack. This hydraulic-driven jack can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. Its powerful engine is suitable for most cars, SUVs, and trucks, providing reliable and swift lifting. This car jack can be powered via a 12V DC power socket or a car cigarette lighter. It's designed to work with sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. You can even use it for motorcycles. Always operate on a flat surface and do not exceed the maximum load. Never worry about a flat tire again with the built-in tire inflator. It includes a tire pressure display, allowing you to monitor the pressure while inflating. This feature makes changing tires much easier. This portable hydraulic jack is perfect for your home garage, road trips, or emergency situations. The jack and power connectors are waterproof, so you can use it even on rainy days. Plus, 2 LED lights help you find the lift area and illuminate your work environment. The electric hydraulic jack has an overload protection system that automatically stops lifting when it reaches its maximum height or weight capacity. The cross lines on the bar head improve friction during lifting, ensuring your safety. What we like. This kit boasts a powerful hydraulic system, ensuring effortless lifting. It also includes a built-in tire inflator, perfect for roadside emergencies. If you frequently travel or live in areas with unpredictable weather, this is the ideal choice. It offers convenience and peace of mind. What people say. This jack is plenty powerful and it lifted up my wife's heavy SUV, but it reached its highest capacity without getting the ground. This combo jack air pump will definitely save you time if you got a flat tire. It lifted my Tahoe, my deck, and a boat trailer that has 2 axles. Number 4. ROGTZ 5-ton electric hydraulic car jack kit. This 12V electric car jack lifts 5-ton vehicles up to 17.7 inches in just 60 seconds. Its high hydraulic efficiency makes it much better than manual jacks. It is easy to use, and even first-time users can lift with confidence. The kit includes a 350 Nm impact wrench with sockets, compatible with most vehicle lug nuts. Its low-noise motor enables quick nut removal. This is paired with the electric car jack in a compact case for fast and organized use. The built-in air pump inflates standard car tires in about 2 minutes. A real-time pressure gauge ensures accurate inflation. It includes multiple nozzles for various vehicles. This is a versatile tool for tire maintenance anytime. The electric jack uses a stable hydraulic system with an automatic stop at max height or overload. Its self-locking design prevents slippage during use. It includes a pressure relief wrench plus LED and warning lights for safe tire work, even at night. This portable jack kit comes with a durable toolbox containing sockets, air nozzles, gloves, and more. The red triangle on the case serves as a warning sign. It is a complete and convenient solution for tire replacement. What we like. This kit is designed for speed and efficiency, lifting your vehicle in just seconds. It comes with an impact wrench for quick tire changes and an integrated air pump. If you're a busy individual who values time-saving tools, this kit will be your best friend. What people say. Setup was a breeze, and it lifts with impressive stability and speed. This vehicle battery electric unit comes in a sturdy case that is used for storage and to signal a vehicle breakdown with the reflective triangle on the outside. With a 5-ton capacity, it handles sedans, SUVs, and trucks with ease, reaching its maximum height in under a minute. Number 3. E-HEELP 5-ton electric car jack kit. Introducing the E-HEELP electric car jack. This hydraulic-driven jack can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. It's designed to handle a wide range of vehicles, making the task much easier. This car jack offers 2 power options, a 12V DC socket and a car cigarette lighter. It's suitable for various vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. You can even use it for motorcycles, ensuring versatility in different situations. The built-in tire inflator eliminates the stress of tire emergencies. It includes a pressure display, allowing you to monitor the inflation process. This feature simplifies tire changes and provides peace of mind. Whether in your garage, on a road trip, or during an emergency, this portable jack is ready. The waterproof design and LED lights ensure usability in various conditions. It's a reliable tool for any situation. The electric hydraulic jack has a built-in overload protection system. It automatically stops lifting when the maximum height or weight is reached. The cross lines on the head enhance friction, ensuring secure lifting. We stand behind our product with a money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can request a replacement. Our customer service is dedicated to providing solutions and ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This kit has a powerful hydraulic system and a built-in tire inflator for convenience. It also offers a money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. If you are looking for a reliable product with excellent customer support, this is the one for you. What people say. The electric jack and impact wrench worked flawlessly. The jack has a safety feature that prevents it from going down too fast. The kit comes with everything you need. Number 2. BEETRO 5-ton electric car jack kit. This is the BEETRO electric hydraulic jack, a versatile tool with 3 essential functions. It combines a 5-ton hydraulic jack, a tire inflator pump, and a built-in flashlight. This makes it perfect for roadside emergencies. It's suitable for most vehicles under 5 tons, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. This makes it an essential tool for garages, farms, and long journeys. It is a good helper for you. The jack has a maximum lifting weight of 5 tons and a lifting height range of 6 to 17.7 inches. The inflator provides a 35 min airflow. It is easy to use and can quickly get the job done. It can be powered by your car's cigarette lighter or battery, with a long power cord. It also includes a built-in flashlight and a drop-proof toolbox. The toolbox even doubles as a warning sign. The jack automatically stops when it reaches its height limit. Its self-locking structure prevents sudden drops, ensuring safety. The internal circuit breaker protects your car from overload. Never exceed the 5-ton limit. Always use it on flat, firm ground. Remember to start your car's engine before use. If the pressure rod gets stuck, use the provided wrench to loosen it. What we like. This kit combines a jack, inflator, and flashlight into one convenient package. It can be powered via multiple sources and includes safety features for secure operation. If you're a car owner who wants an all-in-one solution for roadside emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. The electric jack and impact wrench worked flawlessly. The jack has a safety feature that prevents it from going down too fast. The kit comes with everything you need, including gloves and a warning triangle. Number 1. Electric car jack kit 5-ton 12V. This electric car jack is hydraulically driven, making it easy to lift vehicles up to 5 tons. It takes less than 2 minutes to reach its maximum height, making tire changes quick and simple. This is a perfect solution for any roadside emergency. You can power this jack from your car battery or the cigarette lighter. It also comes with spare fuses for added safety. This makes it versatile enough to use on motorcycles or other heavy items, as long as you operate it on flat ground and don't exceed the weight limit. The built-in tire inflator pump eliminates worries about flat tires. The tire pressure display lets you monitor the pressure while inflating. If you're not used to traditional jacks, you'll be amazed at how easy and quick this is to use. This portable jack is ideal for use at home, on road trips, or in repair shops. The electric hydraulic jack and power connectors are waterproof, so you can use it even in the rain. Plus, the 2 LED lights help you find the lift area and illuminate your work environment. The overload protection system automatically stops the jack when it reaches its maximum height or weight capacity. The cross lines on the bar head improve friction while lifting, ensuring your safety. This product is designed with your security in mind. What we like. This kit offers quick and easy inflation with a built-in pump and 2 power supply options. It's designed for ease of use, even for those new to car maintenance. If you are looking for a user-friendly and reliable solution for tire changes, this is the perfect option. What people say. Compact and works great and easy to use. Had to use this a few times. It's really clutch in hard times. Bought this for my camper. It paid for itself the first trip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.